I just discovered that there is a tool online that can make you earn hundreds of dollars without any effort whatsoever. I was able to get some outstanding results with this tool, even though I did not do any work at all. There is no need for a credit card or any investment. It is available worldwide. Results are visible immediately. As you watch this video tutorial, I would like to warn you that the information presented has never been released to the public. It's your choice whether to use it or not. Let me welcome you to Make Money Now, where we offer simple ways for you to earn money online. So whenever we post a new video on how to earn money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Now let's get back to the video. Now the website which we will be using is called Buffer. Just head over to buffer.com to access this website. This website is a tool that tells your brand story and can grow your audience with publishing, analytics and engagement platform you can trust. More than 75,000 companies are using Buffers, including Shopify, Hotbrain, Food52, The Sell Borrow DressUp, and even Spotify. They have different tools which you can use for your small business in mind. You can publish your content and analyze your campaigns so you can grow your social media accounts properly and organically. They can measure your performance, create reports and get insights to grow reach, engagement and sales. So it's a tool that entrepreneurs and business owners use to get high returns on their investment. Queue up thumb-stopping content across your social channels and enjoy up-to-date Instagram tools. It's a great tool to manage and grow your social media accounts. You can visually plan and schedule your social media campaigns. You can coordinate creative campaigns to drive engagement on social media. I will show you exactly how this will make you money without having to do any of the hard work yourself. And no, it has nothing to do with affiliate marketing, or selling products or building your brand or whatsoever. You can come over to this website as a complete beginner, set this up properly as shown in this video, and you will still be able to make a decent amount of money every single day. I will show you proof that it works. Now basically, this website is going to help you manage your social media accounts and help them grow faster naturally. I know you might be wondering right now, how can this make you money without you having to do any of the hard work? Well, let me show you exactly how that works. You will first need to go over to buffer.com. Click this Get Started Now button right here. And that's going to take you over to their pricing plans. Don't worry, you do not have to invest any money up front at all. You don't have to spend any money at all. If you use the cheapest plan with just $15, that's still going to allow you to grow 8 different social channels, which is decent. And I'm going to show you why you don't need any money to start this. And while you will not be spending any of your money on this. So click on this Start a Free Trial button, and you can sign up with no credit card. You can instantly sign up in less than 60 seconds. So right here you can have all the analytics for your social media channels. You can create new campaigns, you can schedule posts, and you can review campaign performance and hit your goals so you can grow faster and do many other things. It's really simple and easy to use. And you have loads of tutorials that are going to feature exactly how to get around the website. But basically, Buffer does all of the social media management work for you. So it's going to manage your social media accounts, and it's going to grow them organically. So how can you leverage this tool to make over $300 a day? Well, here's exactly what you can do. What you can do is that you can use and try some freelancing websites such as 5Squid. Just head over to 5squid.com. This is a similar platform to Fiverr.com. It is a freelancing website where everyday people like me and you provide all sorts of different services to clients. And you can see that, for example, on Fiverr.com. This type of service called social media management and content creator is selling for this amount of money with this certain amount of accounts. Now, if you remember earlier, a $15 per month account on Buffer.com can manage 8 different accounts and get everything done for you without lifting a finger. This means if you're selling it for, let's say, $100, you get a lot more of income just from these accounts. And the monthly subscription and Buffer can actually cost you $15. So that's over $1,000 pure profit without lifting a finger. And if you even buy a more expensive plan on Buffer.com, you can manage more accounts and earn even more money. But the reason why we are not using Fiverr directly is that there are a lot of different people selling this type of service on Fiverr.com. Meaning it's kind of oversaturated. It's not easy to get established and to get sales as a complete beginner. And if you want to maximize your results and hopefully get even more sales, then you can post your gigs in Fiverr as well to prove that this works and that you can make money with this, you can check the feedback on the service. Now remember that not all customers give feedback, meaning that this number of feedback is just a small part of the total number of people who availed this service. If you go over to the search bar, you can search for social media account management, and you will be able to see that there are over 25,000 services available. And all these people are getting sales. You can see how many sales they've been getting. And they're charging a pretty decent amount of money. But the difference between them and you is that they're doing the work manually. So it takes them a lot of time and effort to complete this service. But for you, you can get it all done with Buffer.com for just $15 a month. Or you can even buy the more expensive plan, which means that you will be making more money with more accounts. And you don't have to invest any money up front. Because you can sign up for a 14-day free trial without entering your card details or whatsoever. You can just wait to get a sale. And if you sell one service for $500 or even a couple 100, you can just use that money to reinvest $15 into Buffer.com. So that way, you're not spending any of your money at all. You can start with $0 and still make a decent profit. Now instead of selling your services on Fiverr.com. Because Fiverr is a saturated website, you can simply go over to Fivesquare.com or any freelancing website like PeoplePerHour.com, Truelancer.com, Freelancer.com, or even Upwork.com. Those are all different freelancing websites that are being visited by millions of people every single day. So you can get loads of sales in the social media marketing space. Now the reason why we are mainly using Fivesquare.com is that this is a pretty new freelancing website. And there are a lot of people coming to buy services from this site. But there are not many freelancers selling those services on this website. So the demand is high, but the competition is really low because not a lot of freelancers know about this website. If you go to the search bar and we search for social media marketing, you will be able to see that not many people are providing the service. Well, there are some, but there are not a lot of services compared to Fiverr. So what I highly recommend you do is to get started with Fivesquare.com by clicking on the join button right here on the upper right corner of the screen. You can sign up by either manually entering your email address in this box, or you can sign up with Facebook, Google, or Twitter, which is a lot easier and faster because it requires just one click of a button. Once you create an account, just click on the seller button right here and click Create a Service so you can publish your service. To do so, you'll just need to enter a title. Select your pricing plan and select the social media marketing category, and fill out all the other details about your service. On more freelancing websites, you just need to provide this social media marketing service. So be sure to use all of them. And once again, as soon as you get a sale, just outsource the work with a Buffer, and it will take you less than 10 minutes to get it done. You can repeat this for unlimited times as long as you're getting orders from those freelancing websites. And that's it. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.